Okay, go ahead.
Welcome to the nursery rhyme story. There once was a little heart. She lived in a house. There was a cup of water on a table. I asked if I wanted one. There were 7 sons, and they each took turns to shine it. But one day they all shined it. The earth was so warm, and a little boy shoot 10 arrows one by one. The emperor gave him a cup of water, and he would stay alive for so much long. The solar system started like an ant, and then some planets were alive. More and more came. Our sun was born.